my outfits, I really want to wear these, but the only problem is they don't have these shoes. I can't. I love them so much. Like, this isn't a pair of shoes you really wear more than once, if you wear them at all, because they are so like hard to find, so like super bougie, expensive, high class, high quality. So I have a cow print purse coming in the mail, and I have like a few ideas for how I want to style these shoes. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to give them the moment that they deserve, because I'm probably only going to wear these once or twice, and I really want them to pop when I do wear them. So I'm going to wait to wear them, because when you wear these, you gotta wear them, okay? You can't just throw on anything and hope it works. I want to give a huge, massive, like completely massive thank you to BestShoesStore for sending me these. I have been like obsessed with these shoes since they released, but I never had the funds to get them. I never like knew where to start, and they hit me up and said, hey, do you want a pair of shoes? And I was like, yes, I do. These shoes are probably like the best quality that I've seen in a long time, and I just like, I'm obsessed. Like, I am literally obsessed. For those of you who don't know, these are the Nike Chunky Dunkies. As you can see, the shoe comes laced with white laces, and then you have yellow and green as well. I just really, it's like honestly the details in this shoe for me, like the cow print, the material is actual like literal fur, the way the swoosh looks like ice cream dripping, like it just looks so good and so expensive. And like, if you know, then you know. This is the box it came in. The box did get kind of messed up upon shipping, but that is not their fault. That's UPS do better. But it didn't take maybe 2 weeks max for the shoes to come. As you can see, the shoe came verified, so you don't even have to worry about that. But I am just like completely in love with the shoe. I think everyone needs these. I know websites and third-party resellers are pretty skeptical when it comes to shoes, and that's why I test them out for you guys, so you don't even have to trip. If you guys are interested in shopping BestShoesStore, I will leave all the information down below. You won't regret it. You won't regret it. It is going on midnight. Am I even tired? See, y'all, here's the thing. My sleep schedule is so messed up. I have been going to bed at 4 or 5 in the morning. That's not acceptable. I am truly the definition of nocturnal. Like, it hits 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm up ready to go, like what's for dinner type of vibe. Like, I'm awake. It is going on midnight, but I have a video I'm helping my dad with, so I think I'm going to edit that for a little bit and then probably gonna go to bed. But I will update you guys tomorrow, and we'll go from there. We will go from there.